How to replace the DC in connector. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the DC in connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 3 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the right hinge to the top cover. Open the right hinge. Lift the DC in connector out of its cradle on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Tow the DC in connector in its cradle on the top cover. Close the right hinge. Replace the 3 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the right hinge to the top cover. Connect the DC in connector cable to its connector on the system board.